This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever inside the vehicle. Pull the hood safety latch outward, then raise the hood. Apply the handbrake, then raise the front of the vehicle and support it on the jack stands. Remove the undershield from under the engine compartment if fitted. If the dry belts are to be reused, mark them for a clockwise direction to ensure that they are reinstalled the same way. Before removing the drive belts, note how each belt is routed to ensure proper installation. On models with air conditioning, loosen the pivot and tension bolts and move the tensioner roller upwards to release the tension on the drive belt. Slip the drive belt from the crankshaft, compressor, and tensioner pulleys. To remove the main drive belt, move the tensioner clockwise using a wrench on the flat to release the tension. Hold the tensioner in this position, then slip the drive belt off the alternator pulley and slowly release the tensioner to its stopping point. Remove the drive belt from the crankshaft, alternator, viscous fan, and power steering pump pulleys, and then maneuver it out of the engine. Locate the main drive belt loosely on the pulleys, routing it the same way as noted before removal. Using a wrench, rotate the tensioner clockwise to allow the drive belt to be slipped onto the alternator pulley. Then slowly release the tensioner. Make sure that the belt is correctly located in all the pulley grooves. On models with air conditioning, locate the drive belt on the compressor and crankshaft pulleys, making sure that it is correctly located in all the pulley grooves. Move the tensioner pulley downwards and engage the drive belt with the pulley grooves. Tension the drive belt by applying a torque of 22 foot-pounds to the hexagon on the tensioner body. Hold this torque, then tighten the adjustment and pivot bolts. Reinstall the engine undershield, if equipped, and lower the vehicle. Start the engine and check for proper operation of the belts before placing the vehicle into normal service.